you pass through the thread in the bead, about 1 or 2. Then we cut the excess thread. So this is the handle. We are going to need 3 of these, and these are rhinestone material. You count 16 to get equal parts. So 16 long, 16 wide. Then you cut it. So this is it. We have 16. We want it to be equal so that when we are doing the flower, it will be in equal parts. So you fold it into 2. Then using the fishing line, the 0.35, that's what we are going to use it to sew it. You sew the edges all round. So we are sewing it all round. It goes in and out till you get to the last part. So this is what you fold it into 2 and fold it into 2 again. So you get 4 pieces when you fold it. Remember it's in 16, so folding the first 2 will be 8. Then you fold another 2, which will be 4. Then you fold another 2, which will be 2, 2. Then you sew the middle part. Then you sew it front and back till it's firm. So this is what we have. It's really nice, simple to make.